Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. What want? A technology vlog, for how to videos, tips, reviews, and much more. Want to manage partitions on Windows PC? Then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 4 stunning ways to manage partitions with Partition Master tools. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. EaseUS Partition Master. Download and install the EaseUS Partition Master from its official. Check the description for the link. Launch the EaseUS Partition Master application. Check for free space. To divide a disk partition into multiple ones, you must ensure that there has adequate free space to be allocated. Give a right click on the selected partition. Select the resize or move option from the menu. Drag the end of the partition either rightwards or leftwards to reduce the size of the main drive. You will find sample unallocated space. You can visually know how much space you have decreased in the partition size box. Click on OK. Now click on the Execute Operation button. A prompt will appear on the screen. Select the Apply option. Once the completion of process, click on Finish. You will find unallocated space below the same disk of the shrink one. Now it's time to turn the unallocated space into a usable partition. Give a right click on the unallocated partition. Select the Create option. The Create window will pop up on the screen. Choose the drive letter, partition label, file system type, and many more options under Advanced Settings. Click on OK. Again, click on the Execute Partition option. A window will pop up on the screen. Click on Apply option to save changes. Finally, click on Finish. Repeat the whole process to partition a hard drive into many more partitions. Once the completion of the process, the system will reboot automatically. Then the changes made using the EaseUS Partition Master will be applied and come into execution. That's it. Number 2. Macrorit Partition Expert. Download and install Macrorit Partition Expert from its official site. Check the description for the link. Launch the application. All the partitions will be displayed on the screen. Click on E-Drive. Click Resize, Move Partition option in the left menu. A window will pop up on the screen. Drag from the left side. If you need to create free space left to E-Drive. If you want to create free space right to E-Drive, you can drag it from the right side. Here I am going to create a free space left to E-Drive. Drag the knob from left side or else enter the size in the unallocated size before box. You will find the unallocated space between the C and E drive. Click on OK. Now select the C drive. Click on Resize, Move Volume. Another window will appear on the screen. Drag the partition end towards right. Click OK. Now you can see an increase in C drive. Finally, click on Commit option. It will reboot your device and increase C drive. That's it. Number 3. AOMEI Partition Assistant. Download and install AOMEI Partition Assistant from its official site. Check the description for the link. Launch the AOMEI Partition Assistant. Select the partition that you want to resize. Select the Resize, Move Partition option from the left side menu. A window will appear on the screen. Move the end of the partition to the right or left to resize the partition. Click on OK. An unallocated partition will be created. Now, you need to turn that unallocated partition into a useful partition. Select that unallocated partition. Click on Create Partition option at the left side window. Customize the partition with drive letter and file system. Click on OK. If you want to extend C drive, then click on C drive. Select the Resize, Move Partition option. Drag the partition to the end. And click on OK. You will observe that the C drive is extended. Finally, click on the Apply option. That's it. Number 4. MiniTools Partitions Wizard. Download and install MiniTools Partitions Wizard. Check the description for the link. Launch the MiniTools Partition Wizard application. Select the partition that you want to resize. Select the Move, Resize option from the left side menu. A prompt will appear on the screen. Move the arrow to left or right to shrink the partition. You can also choose the unallocated space before or after the partition manually. And click on OK. To make an unallocated space useful, give a right click on an unallocated space. Select the Create option from the menu. A window will appear on the screen. Customize the partition with Label, Create As, File System, and Cluster Size. Now click on OK. If you want to extend C drive, then select the C drive. Click on Resize, Move Partition option. Extend the drive to the end. Now click on OK. Finally, click on the Apply option to save all the changes that you have made. That's it. For more information, visit our article. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if it is helpful for you. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on notifications.